Hey, how's it going? Wow, that music was so relaxing and nice. Anyway, welcome to Austin Startup Week. This is the HR Talent and Culture track. We have four amazing sessions throughout the day, as well as some networking to get to know other attendees. But before we get started, my name is Desmond. I am the community engagement manager for Walmart Technology. I used to work at Capital Factory a long time ago, but currently my job is all about culture and creating culture externally and internally. And I'm super excited to be curating the HR culture and talent track for the second year in a row. You're going to be seeing a lot of me throughout the day, introducing sessions, ending sessions, different things like that. So get used to this space because you're going to see it a lot. But before we get started, I wanted to say a huge thank you to our sponsor, Insperity, for taking on this track and making it what it is. And I'm going to hand it over to Randy Fisher, who is the Strategic Marketing Manager for Insperity, for the opening remarks. And I'll be back in a moment.
All right, Desmond, thank you for that. And good morning, everybody. Again, my name is Randy Fisher, and I'm on the strategic marketing team at Insperity, headquartered in Houston, Texas. Over 30 years ago, Insperity began where many of you are now. Two co-founders with a big idea, a vision, and a long list of obstacles and opportunities before them. Today, Insperity provides human resource solutions to over 9,000 small and emerging businesses. And we believe that entrepreneurs and investors and all those involved in the startup ecosystem, like Austin Startup Week, are critical to the American economy's vitality. We're excited to sponsor today's HR, talent, and culture track. Building a successful business requires human capital solutions, and we're going to be hearing from some great leaders in the industry about embracing diversity, hiring older talent, a digital workforce transformation, and company culture. I look forward to today's session, and please note that the first session will start at 9:15 this morning. I hope everybody enjoys the day. Thank you.